Hello everyone, and welcome to today's session. In this session, I'm going to talk about the new batches for NMTC for 2026, and the batches are for grade 5 to 8. So, basically, if the student is in grade 4th and very bright, he can also join the grade 5 or 6 batch, right? And a student who is in grade 9th or 10th and never prepared for NMTC and doing it for the first time and start want to start from basic can also join the batch of 7th 8th, right? Other than that, for ninth and 10th we also have IOQM batches which you can join, right? In this video we are going to talk about 5th to 8th grade NMTC, which is primary and sub junior batches, which we have already launched for 2026. So my name is Niharika Jayani and I'm running this Olympiad School, and olympiadschool.in is my website, with the same URL. Niharikajayani.com is the same website with a different URL, right? So you can visit niharikajayani.com or olympiadschool.in, one of the same platform, right? You'll reach. So here I'll talk about two different batches in this video. One is the Gamma batch. So we have launched Gamma batch for grade 5 and 6 particularly, and for those bright students of grade 4th as well, if they are preparing for multiple Olympiads and they are into this competitive mathematics and they're doing good, they can also join this batch. So particularly it is for 5th and 6th grade. The timing is that we are going to have two classes every week. Every Tuesday, there will be a class at 7 p.m., and every Saturday there will be a class at 3:30 p.m. So for the students who are in grade 4th, 5 or 6, fourth bright students, we will select 5, 6. If you are in grade 5 and 6, currently in 2025 you are in grade 5 and 6, you just message us, we'll let you know which batch will suit you, okay? Gamma or the Delta batch. So there are two batches. Gamma is particularly for 5th and 6th base moderate students of grade 5 and 6, and the classes are on live class 7 p.m. Every Tuesday, and every Saturday it is 3:30 p.m. So fees is rupees 2000 per month. In this you will be getting 6 worksheets every month, 2 monthly tests. There will be homework and attendance tracker will be there. You have to submit the worksheet homework. We will check, and accordingly we'll help you out with, I will try to analyze that what are the questions you're not able to solve. We will be also giving one doubt class, extra backup classes, right? Recordings of classes will be available. If you're not able to understand a concept, you need a recording, we will give it to you. For absentees also, you're not able to attend the class, you will get the recording, right? We will also share the PDF of every single class notes you will get. Like the class ended on Tuesday, immediately you'll get the notes of that class. If you miss writing something, or you want to cross check whether you've written it correct or not during the class, you can just go through the class notes again. Now another batch is Delta batch. Delta batch is basically for the base grade 7 and 8 students. So if you are an intelligent student, or you have prepared for NMTC, intelligent I mean to say is that you have prepared for Olympiads earlier in grade 5 and 6, you are preparing for NMTC from grade 5, now you are in grade 6, 1 year you prepared already, so you can join this Delta batch, grade 7 and 8 batch. You think, no ma'am, I want to go with the basics first, so you can join the 5th 6th wala batch, which is Gamma batch, right? So 7th 8th is for the base 8, 7 and 8. Now the students who are in grade ninth right now, and they think that we haven't prepared for NMTC ever, so we want to start from basic and then we will move to the junior level, they can also join this batch. The timing for this batch is every Thursday 7 p.m., every Saturday 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m., every Thursday 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Timings will not be changed because my slots are already packed in different batches, so it is not at all possible. So don't request for the time change or stuff. So this is the fixed time for now. My new batches will launch in January, so there is a possibility that we may shift the timings of the new batches, change the timings. That completely depends on at that time. Right now there is no change in the current batch, and there will be no new batch batch in the next 3 to 4 months, right? So again, the fees is rupees 2000 per month. Now, why we are taking monthly fees? See, we are not taking the course fees that pay for the whole year like that. So why we are doing that? Because if you think that you can do it, you want to give it a try, you never tried it, and then you find out that you started it and you're not able to cope with the content, or you think, no, I need the basic school maths first, I have to clear that concept, you can immediately skip in the second month, right? And if you think that, okay, I am not, for example, because of some emergency or anything, you don't want to continue NMTC for this year, so there's an option. So we have done this as monthly because we have confidence enough that once a student will come to us and learn from us, means I will be taking these two batches, okay? So if so we have that confidence that our system will help the child at a level that they will not skip the classes, right? So that is the reason we have given it for monthly payment, that you just do the monthly payment and you can continue. Whenever you want to discontinue, you can discontinue. The only discontinuation policy is that once you leave the batch for a month, you will not be enrolled back in any of the courses until unless it's a very emergency case or something like that. So this is the discontinuation policy, that you will not be enrolled back. So if you want to enroll in these batches, and if you are in grade 9th and 10th, want to do IOQM batch and want to, so IOQM batch I want to add here. So IOQM timing is, there are only the, for IOQM, every Tuesday 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. plus worksheet and tests will be planned for that. And with this you have to do NMTC batch, okay? That timing we will share. So what you have to do, you have to just WhatsApp us on these two numbers. This is number of Yasmin, our operational manager. She will help you out with all the course details and the timings and batches and seats available. See, we have limited seats in each batch, we don't crowd it too much, right? We have a limit of 30. So if you just call her and ask her that, okay, is there a seat available or not, she'll let you know everything about where the seat is available, which batch is full, like that, and timings of respective. Once you do the payment and you'll book the slot, she will share the admission form with you, which you have to fill. Before that, you can also fill the inquiry form. You can WhatsApp us, or you just fill the inquiry form, which is in the description of this video. Just click it, fill the inquiry form, we will call you back, okay? Priority, if you want immediate answers, just on the second number message and you will get the immediate reply regarding the courses and everything, okay? You might get a call scheduled with me if needed. So she will help you out to schedule a call with me if you need things, course details, or in detail something you want to know, or counseling, or anything you want to know from me, then you can connect with this second number as well, okay? So I think I'm clear with all the batches, but there is a very good news for these batches. And the good news is that if you are if you are enrolled in any of these two batches, okay, grade 5 6 or 7 8, gamma or delta, if you are a student of gamma or delta, or you are my old student, you have done my classes last year, then you will get NMTC stage 2 classes completely free, which is every Tuesday 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay. So IOQM classes will start a little late, not now. So basically, every Tuesday you will get 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. The detail of the class timing, okay, of stage 2 of primary, sub junior, it's slightly different. So I'm not coming to timing and stuff. You can contact us. We will let you know the timing, live classes on my portal, not on YouTube. Okay. So you have to join in our portal, and on that you will see the live classes for stage 2, and it is completely free. The only condition is that you must be an enrolled kid of any of these two batches, or you must be old student. For example, you don't want to join these two batches and you want to do only NMTC stage 2 classes, and you are not my old student also, then I will highly recommend you to join any of the respective batches, whatever suits you. Pay 1 month fees and get the stage 2 classes free and do it. Right? So that is the other way out, right? You can discontinue anyhow, you can discontinue from the second month. So it is completely free for all those students who are already enrolled or old students, right? So yes, another benefit and good news for everyone, whether you are an enrolled student, old student, new student, anything, you want material for NMTC stage 2, it is completely free for everyone. You want to do self study, you want to practice, you want previous year papers, right? You want practice problems, you don't want any live class, you just need material. So we are providing every material completely free for you. There's a free material booklet for primary, sub junior and junior. So you can just message again on this number and just say that I need the free material, free NMTC material, and you have to just fill this inquiry form. This Just fill the inquiry form, message on this number, you will get the PDF on WhatsApp. Okay, so this is what we have come up for all of you. Stage 2 classes are completely free for every of to the student of my portal. It's free for them. And I will be coming up with some YouTube classes as well, as IOQM is near. So I was thinking to come up with it. A lot of requests came for the geometry classes, but see, it's very near, and it's wouldn't be able to take a lot of classes, but I'll try to. Else, I will be taking some free live classes, for RMO after that. So stay tuned on this YouTube channel. Subscribe this, because I will be taking a lot of free live classes for QM. So QM to is about to finish on 7 September. So I will be taking classes for RMO, right? So you can stay tuned to this channel for RMO, and it will be completely free, of course. So now, what I want to say at the end is the batches will are already started from September. Just contact as soon as possible. The classes will start from 4th of September, which is day after tomorrow, right? So just fill the form, as our seats will once this video will be launched on channel. Our seats will obviously get filled at a very fast pace. So be the first one. First come, first serve is the policy we are going to adopt. Thank you so much. Take care. See you in the upcoming classes. Thank you, everyone.